Hey guys, it's Hinda and welcome to Cooking Fantasies. In today's video, we're going to be making strawberry panna cotta. Everybody loves panna cotta. It's really easy to make and it goes a long way. You can actually combine it with any fruit or flavor you like. And in today's recipe, we're going to be making it with strawberry coulis. If you are new to the channel and you like delicious food, you're at the right place, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell to get all the notifications, and let's get started. As always, the full list of the ingredients with both grams and cups measurements you will find down in the description box. We're gonna start by soaking the gelatin sheets into cold water. Always when gelatin sheets are involved in a recipe, you wanna soak them in cold water for at least 5 to 10 minutes ahead before using them. In a saucepan, add about the half of your milk, or it doesn't have to be an exact quantity, it can be the half or the 2/3. It's not important, just add some milk with the sugar in a saucepan, place it on a medium heat and allow it to simmer. And as soon as the sugar milk starts bubbling and simmering, remove it from the heat. Immediately squeeze the gelatin sheets from all the water. By now they must be already soft and hydrated. You're gonna squeeze out all the water and immediately add them to the milk mixture. And whisk them well till all the gelatin has totally melted in the milk. Once all the gelatin has melted, add the vanilla extract and the rest of the milk. And whisk slightly to combine. In a separate bowl, combine the heavy cream with the powdered sugar or the icing sugar, and it's better if the heavy cream is cold and not in room temperature. And then whisk them together for just a couple of minutes. You don't want to monte, you don't want to have a shanty, just enough to combine the powdered sugar into the heavy cream. Now take the first mixture of sugar, milk and gelatin and start adding it gradually to the cream and icing sugar mixture while whisking just with the hands. And immediately divide the desserts into your serving glasses, cups, or whatever you prefer or you want to serve your dessert in. You can even use a big ramekin for one whole piece of panna cotta. This recipe here makes enough for 8 to 10 people if you make it in a big ramekin. In individual glasses, it can make 6 to 8 portions depending on how much you put in each glass. I personally made 6 portions. Just here in the video you can only see 4. And whatever you are using, just make sure not to fill them all the way to the top because we still need place for the strawberries. Then place them in the fridge to totally set for about 1 to 2 hours before making the strawberry coulis. Once the panna cotta is set, we're gonna go ahead and make the coulis. Start by soaking the gelatin sheets in cold water so they are ready when we need them. Here I'm using frozen strawberries, but you have many options. You can either use a strawberry coulis that you buy ready from the store, or you can make your own coulis as I did here by using either fresh strawberries or frozen ones. In either cases, the recipe is the same. You're gonna puree your strawberries with some lemon juice and sugar. Now, if you are using ready strawberry coulis, you're gonna add it directly to a saucepan with the sugar and the lemon juice. If you are making your own puree, once everything is well combined, you're gonna add them to a saucepan on a medium heat and bring them to a simmer. Make sure to stir all the time because it tends to burn from the bottom because of all the sugar. Once it starts simmering and you start seeing the bubbles, squeeze the gelatin sheets, add them directly to the mixture, turn off the heat and stir till all the gelatin has melted. Once you remove the strawberry coulis from the heat, you're gonna wait about 3 to 5 minutes for it to cool down a little bit. Since the strawberry coulis has gelatin, you're gonna have to add it while it's still fluid. If you make it in advance and it has already set, you just need to warm it or microwave it for it to melt again before you add it to your cream. And make sure the cream is also well set, because this is how you get these really nice defined layers. You can already enjoy your panna cotta at this point. It's so delicious, but I really like to add some little cubes of fruit on the top, because this really adds to the texture, and then you have not only the creamy texture, but you have also some pieces to chew on, and it looks nice, it tastes very good, and it brings more freshness to the whole dessert. So as easy as that, wash your strawberries, cut them into small cubes or small slices, however you prefer. Mix with the lemon juice and the sugar, mix everything together and add them to your dessert right before serving, or even before, it doesn't matter. And they look really beautiful, they add so much to the dessert, and I hope you will also like it, because I do. And as easy as that, you have a very delicious dessert that goes all the way. You can serve it with everything, you can eat it as a snack. Everybody loves panna cotta, and you can combine it with any fruit you like using the very same recipe. I thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell to get all the notifications, and see you soon in a new video. Happy baking!